USA truck. We're in the airport again. We're off on a trip. I just got searched. Special selection. So yeah, we're just gonna go catch our flight, heading out to Florida, go do some driving with the boys. So we made it to Florida, Sunshine State. Kind of lost my voice. And we're gonna go get checked into our place, and then I think just chill for this evening, and then tomorrow the work starts. So we made it to our gaff, and it is a gaff in Melbourne, Florida. First night we're here, and I just picked up my new truck. Absolutely buzzing.
So we're fighting over the boxes of hose.
These two are fighting over getting changed. You sharing the bed? This one keeping, this one spare?
Yeah.
Save washing. Yeah. So yeah, just got here. We are here for, we're doing a test day at OSW on Tuesday, and then we are off to Drift Appalachia next weekend with the 15. So we've got a little bit of prep to do with the car, a little bit of prep to do with the truck, and then go for some sick driving. So yeah, in a minute we're going to show you the new truck, which is going to be our new tow rig out here. Absolutely over the moon with it. And then we're going to go get some food and see what happens. Well, welcome to my new USA truck. She's a beast. It's a bit beaten up right now, but you know, this will polish out. This will probably polish out. That window needs to be replaced. But other than that, she's a beast. 6.7 Cummins, dually, 77,000 miles, 2018. It is going to be absolutely perfect for what we need out here. So I'm buzzing. First fixes on the truck. And the important bit is wiper blades, wiper fluid, and dent removal.
Duct tape dent removal.
Duct tape dent removal. Kurt's got it covered. So we're out here in America. We bought a Ram, and we just need to do a little bit of fixing some American mishaps. And we're better than an AutoZone car park.
Ah, but we're getting rid of the dent.
We're losing the dent though, behind there.
As you can see, there's now no damage on the truck. As long as you zoom right into like there, it's clean. Now we're gonna get a new bed for it. Well, today we're gonna fix some of the dents, but long term we're gonna get a new bed for it, clean up some bits and should be mint. Straight pipe Cummins. Car's out, it's running, sounds great. We're gonna give it a nice quick Stana gloss wash, and then we can get to prepping. So we just put the new diff in. So this is a diff that we don't get in the UK. This is a Q45 diff. So it's out of a car that we don't get in the UK, but this is a 3:7 ratio, which should go well with my BMW gearbox. Right, so we got a fresh delivery in the USA of some motor milk oil for the car. Right, so 15 is all ready. We've got the new diff in. Let's go give it a test. First time driving this car in ages. I'll go see what it's like with this new diff ratio. So much better with that diff. It's
Going to third or no?
Yeah, I was third coming out of there.
Second shorter?
Yeah, but not by much.
That sounds sick though.
Right, so 15 is so much better with that diff in it. So we just went for a little rip. Now wait for the other boys to be sorted and we can all go for a little rip. Cold as that party, nothing like it. What the fuck? That's some good shit in it.
Yeah, you might as well just move here.
I know.
We can be best drift friends after. We just not act stupid together. Oh yeah.
First day is almost over. Car's mostly fixed. Well, mechanically, absolutely sorted. The new diff, the new 3.7 diff is so much better. Literally the car reacts much better. The gearing works so much better. Gearing, diff change was a positive. Chassis feels sick. So yeah, all is a bonus. We had some sick laps in, which was really fun. Now we're just getting a few bits painted so as we can get it all looking good. And then we're going to head home soon. And then tomorrow we crack on again. So yeah, absolutely buzzing. Today has been sick. Absolutely love it out here. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Always wear PPE. That was a pretty even race. Right, day number 2 and 15 is all sorted. I'm slowly getting my voice back a little bit, but now it's time to go through the truck and make sure the truck is ready for some rigging. So we've just banged some seat covers in, which has actually made the interior look so much better. We've got a stereo fit here, so we've got some CarPlay and stuff. Actually, because I didn't think it had Bluetooth, but it turns out the standard stereo does have Bluetooth. And then we're going to have a little attempt at sorting out some of the big dents, if we can get this one out. We've got some new bulbs to put in. This tyre has got a nail in it, so we've just got to sort that out and just check fluids, make sure it's good. So let's get busy. All go today. We've got the turbo off because the downpipe was cracked. So this is getting fixed so Sam can drive it tomorrow. These cars starting to go together. Got some proper wheels on it now. My voice is starting to come back. Not fully yet. Still sound a bit funky.
Welcome to America. I'm about to get flamed when I go over there.
Lee's prepping his bay for paint.
So, no. We had the UK guys hit me up with the fix, you know what I'm saying? Look at them welds. Look at them welds.
No, don't look at it.
Look at them
Okay,
welds.
sorry, we'll look from here with the -2.
That looks pretty good. I don't know why my intercooler's on the floor, but ask Jake.
You're talking to the fabrication department.
And today's video is sponsored by Amazon Prime.
Lee needed to be a hot boy, so we're doing the front end conversion. It does look so much better.
It's a hot boy lifestyle.
Yeah. He's remembered that comp life is boring and expensive. So he's come back to hot life.
Very expensive. Very, very expensive.
Yeah. So now it's hot boy life again.
Yes, sir.
Less expensive and more fun.
Definitely less expensive.
Oh yeah, test bit. That's too dark.
Man, look at this fitment, man.
I agree. What are those?
Man, you'll never know.
Oh, that's actually colour matched 15 gang. So it's been a pretty busy day. Lee's car is actually almost done. It's looking way better now. We put a front end back on it and made all this latch work. Took the other broken one off. Put this on, put a latch on to fit the stock bonnet back on it. Just didn't want to cut holes in it. So a few more bits to paint, and then that's good. This is all sweet, ready to go. Been a productive day. We're all pretty tired, so we're going to do a few last bits and then head home and then get a sleep. New exhaust for the hot boy. So, it is time to drive the car for the first time on this trip, other than a little test. But we're all loaded up. My new truck is rigged up. We're full of stuff. Got the 2-car trailer on there. 2 cars. The boys are going to be driving this Mustang, which should be cool. And I'm obviously driving the 15. Sam's driving the 13 that's on the back of Haitian's trailer. So we're just getting everything loaded up and then we're heading down to OSW. Going to have some fun with the boys. It's a great feeling to be out here with my own rig. I know she needs a bit of tidying up, but it's minor stuff, you know. But it's so cool to be out here with my own rig. Kind of self-sufficient in a way, you know. Obviously, I appreciate Lee and all the boys with all their help. But it's cool to have my own stuff, you know, my own car, my own truck, Lee's trailer, and we go off and have some fun. Let's see what this is like then. So it's raining and I don't want to cover the engine bay of the 15 in water, so we're taking out a stock EcoBoost Mustang. Enjoying it? The Mustang is interesting. You have to be so delicate with how you drive it, otherwise you just spin or straighten straight away. Oh, too much foot brake. I dabbed the left foot brake too much.
Oh, you saved it, you saved it. You got slight understeer out.
Oh, we got it. You can't save it with angle because it doesn't have any.
Yeah, you've got to be on the handbrake a lot.
Yeah. We're all done at OSW. Everyone's had a wicked time. It started raining. I couldn't be bothered to fill the engine bay with crap, so stopped driving the 15. But yeah, we've had a wicked time. The boys drove the Mustang and they enjoyed that. I drove the Mustang too, and I enjoyed the challenge. Now we loaded up, heading back to the workshop. Well, it's late. We're all pretty tired. We are now about to stick Lee's car back on the dyno with its new turbo, get that sorted, and then we can all go to bed.